There's a ton of fake advertisements online right now of me selling products.
Yeah.
It's just my voice. This
Yeah,
is
and
the
I
most
got
amazing
suckered out
thing
of it,
ever.
figuring out you never bought those boner pills. You never endorsed those boner pills. And I was like, oh, they're good enough for Joe. I mean, fuck.
They're selling so many things. I found like 10 of them. It's
Yeah,
weird.
it's crazy.
They can get, it's pretty close. Like you can kind of tell when you listen, something's off. Just there's like
Right.
the uncanny valley, I guess. There's something off. They'll probably even be able to figure out a way to get you to make noises you've never made just by knowing the range that you have that's possible.
Like, oh,
yeah, like some kind of
Never made
weird
that
scream
noise.
or something. Now they got that one. But just, yeah.